Hello everyone. Let's provide the solution to this problem completely. We have x squared multiplied by square root of x to the power of 2 equal to 8. The question says we should solve this completely. And by the way, this can go with this, right? So we have x squared multiplied by x equal to 8. Is that okay? And this x is the same thing as x to the power of 1. So you can pick one of them according to the law of indices, and we'll have 2 plus 1, which will be equal to 8. Now to proceed, we are going to have x to the power of 3 equal to 8. Now we are going to solve this completely, so we cannot take the cube root of both sides because we want to get as many as 3 solutions, right? So x to the power of 3 should be equal to 2 to the power of 3. And from here again, we cannot equate the bases because the powers are the same. What you will do is bring everything to one side. So we have x to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 equals 0. Now you can apply a standard. If you have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, this is the same thing as a minus b close this into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, so these are the same, then we close this. So we're going to apply this standard to deal with this. Our a now is going to be x and our b is 2, so we're going to have x minus 2, close this. Then here we have x squared plus ab, right? So our a is x and our b is 2. Multiply both of them, we have 2x. Then plus b squared, which is going to be 2 squared, so we have 2 squared. Then close this, equal to 0. Now from here, x minus 2 into x squared, have this in bracket, plus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then we can apply our 0 product rule so that x minus 2 is either equal to 0 or the quadratic expression here, x squared plus 2x plus 4 should be equal to 0. Now from here we can proceed as we pick this linear equation first. X minus 2 to be equal to 0. X is equal to 0 plus 2, and this means that x is equal to 2. So this becomes the value of x. But then we can go back to the quadratic expression there, which is now a quadratic equation, and we will solve it. So we have x squared plus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. This is it over here. We can now apply the formula method to deal with this, right? And what is the formula again? Or before then, we have ABC in the formula. Our a is the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. Our b is the coefficient of x, and that is 2. And our c is a constant over here, which is 4. Remember, whatever sign comes with the coefficient, you must pick it. So all of them are positive now. The formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. The whole of this is over 2 multiplied by a. So what we will do now is to substitute this into the formula. So our x becomes minus b is now minus 2 plus or minus, we'll now have b squared, which is 2 squared now, minus 4 multiplied by a multiplied by 4, because c is 4. And the whole of this is divided by 2 times 1. Let's continue. So that's from here, our x will be equal to minus 2 plus or minus, then 4 squared, 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times 1 times 4 will give 16. All of this is over 2. Now, x from here is equal to minus 2 plus or minus, then we have square root of negative 12, because 4 minus 16 is 12. But we still have this over 2. Now to continue, I'm going to pick out this negative from there. So I have x to be equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 12 multiplied by square root of negative 1. Okay, this is all over 2. Now let us continue. So from here we have x to be equal to minus 2 plus or minus, this square root of 12 can be simplified. So we have square root of 4 times 3, then multiply by square root of negative 1, all of this over 2. To continue, x will be equal to minus 2 plus or minus, we have square root of 4 there, we have square root of 4 over there, so that will be 2, then root 3. And then square root of negative 1 will give us I. But remember that this is not under the square root sign, so let me put times here. All of this will be over 2. I want to arrange this better, so our x will be minus 2 plus or minus, we have 2i root 3. And all of this is over 2. Now 2 can divide the numerators, so that x will be 2 into minus 2 is minus 1, plus or minus 2 into this, we are going to have I, that is as good as 1i, then we have root 3. And then from here we have a 2-in-1 solution. Remember, the first solution is x1, which is equal to 2. Then the second solution, x2, is obtained from here. And we are going to pick minus 1 plus I root 3. Then the third solution, x3, will be minus 1 minus I root 3. So these are the 3 solutions that satisfy the equation. Thank you for watching.